Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Today, it's a quick hitter. Hopefully, try to keep it under 5 minutes. Please. Today, we're talking about watermarks. Let's roll that intro. What's up, guys? How was your weekend? Mine was awesome. Good. Just kind of chilled out with the family. Had Sunday lunch and everything at the in-laws, like we always do every Sunday. Good eating that last weekend. So before we get into the video, if you could please go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that little notification bell. It'll let you know when I upload my next video, which could be at any point, because I'm starting to crank out 2 videos a week now. What? Anyways, also follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. You guys are awesome. So today we're talking about watermarks. Should you use them? Should you not? The general rule of thumb that I personally use, that anything that goes on social media accounts like my Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, any social media account, I will put a watermark on my work just so that people can recognize who took this photo, who put their time, energy, sweat, blood, tears into this photo. It's kind of nice to have that little recognition there. I don't put watermarks on the images on my website. So actually, I got a message on Instagram from Courtney's Photography Journey. She said, "Hey, I love seeing all of your work." Awesome, thank you. Keep following, keep looking. There's going to be more to come, way more to come. I just have a little question. How do you watermark your photos? Do you use Photoshop? I made my logo, but I'm not too sure how to add it to my images. Great question. I'm going to actually walk you guys through how I did my my watermark on Photoshop. So yes, I do use Photoshop. So let's head on over to the computer. Okay, so say you had a photo like this, a nice little landscape. We got the fall trees in the fall. We got the water in the foreground, the fall trees in the midground, and then the mountains in the sky in the background. So in this case, what I would usually do is I'd throw my watermark just at the bottom part there, right around here or so. I'm going to show you 2 different ways of doing this, because obviously down here it's a little bit darker compared to a photo like this. Yes, you could throw a light logo right here, or you could put a dark logo right up here. So what you're going to need to do is click on File, click New. What I did is I put it by 1000 by 1000 pixels. That should be big enough, I think. Make sure that this, I think by default, it's going to be on white for the background contents. What you want to do is you want to change that to transparent. So go ahead and do that. Press Create. Now you're going to have this big square with all these white and gray squares in the background. So what you can do from here is, if you have like a graphic logo, you can kind of slap that right here or so. So just say that this is your logo. Let's change that to black. Okay, sure, that works. Say you want to add some text, like let's go with Nick Taylor photo. Okay, so let's just say that this, for instance, is your logo. Perfect. Okay, so you got that. Awesome. Save this. Click on File, save as. Go to .png. This will keep your transparent background transparent. So rename it to whatever you like. And then what I usually do is, now I have a dark logo. Save it to your desktop, wherever you feel comfortable keeping it. So now you have your dark logo. That would look fantastic right here in this white-ish part. What I did next is I took everything and I made it white. So take your text. Keep in mind this might be a little hard to see, but it's okay. Okay, so now you can see that the text is white. So now you want to move on to your actual logo itself, which would be right here if you have one. If it's just text, you're already good to go. So if you do have like some sort of a graphical logo, you can come in here, like for instance this rectangle, just highlight it here, rectangle, come up here, turn it to white. Perfect. Now save this as Nick Taylor photo logo dash white.png. Okay, so now you have your logo. This is my official logo. So what I do is I come in here, I open this up, Command C, Command V, Command T as in Tango. Now what this will do is, like I hope you guys would know, is you can resize the thing. I don't like to have mine super big. Something noticeable that you can kind of tell who did this photo. You can change the opacity with this too. So by doing that, just click on your logo right here, and then you can see this opacity. Just click, drag to the left, and you'll see it kind of pop up and disappear. Let's go to 30 maybe. So you can also do that as well if you don't really want to have your logo popping off the photo. So you can do it that way. Now back to the original photo. This one, what I'll do is I'll take the white version of my logo, Control C, Control V, Control T. Now the good thing, I'm sure you guys know, in Photoshop, you have these little guidelines. I believe that's middle, that's center. Just bring it down. Boom. That's it. That's it. Easy, right? So another good thing about this is if you are designing a web page, you can use these PNG logos as your website logo as well. Alright, so if you were to go to my website, which is www.nicktaylorphotography.ca, you'll see my logo front and center right there in all its glory. So yeah, just kind of play around with everything and see what you like or what you can come up with in terms of a logo that you can use for a watermark, and then maybe eventually use it for your website. It doesn't have to be super over the top or anything like that. You can definitely get away with just text. Like you can change up the text or the fonts and everything, kind of have it like a script or something super bold, or it's up to you. So that's how I did my logo, just 1,000 by 1,000 pixel transparent file, and I just created the little NT graphic, and then underneath just landscape photography. That was it. Did a black version, did a white version. We're good to go. Easy. So guys, hopefully that this video helped you out. If you could please go down below, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, hit that little bell icon, and I'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, if you could please also follow my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Links are in the description below. So I think that should do it for today. Hopefully I didn't go over the 5-minute mark. It might have not. I don't know. I guess we'll see when I upload. Anyways, have a fantastic weekend, guys, or week, and upcoming weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.